Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most anticipated luxury sedans of the year. The 2026 new Audi A6, this latest model from Audi, represents a perfect balance of elegance, advanced technology, and thrilling performance, designed to appeal to both enthusiasts and those who simply appreciate comfort and refinement from the very first glance. The exterior of the 2026 Audi A6 captivates with its sleek, aerodynamic design. The front fascia features a more aggressive and wider single-frame grille flanked by sharper digital matrix LED headlights, giving the car a bold yet sophisticated look. The sculpted lines flow seamlessly from the hood to the rear, creating a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. Audi has refined the proportions to make the A6 look sportier while maintaining its executive charm under the hood. The new Audi A6 offers a range of powertrains, including highly efficient turbocharged petrol and diesel engines, as well as a plug-in hybrid variant designed for maximum fuel economy and lower emissions. Audi has also introduced a mild hybrid system across most of the range, improving performance while keeping efficiency in mind for those seeking more excitement. The top trim offers a powerful V6 engine delivering impressive acceleration without sacrificing smoothness. The 2026 A6 also benefits from the latest Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring exceptional grip and stability in all road conditions. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that is nothing short of stunning. Audi has always been known for its interiors, but this time they've taken it up a notch. Premium materials such as fine Napa leather, brushed aluminum, and open-pore wood create a luxurious atmosphere. The virtual cockpit Plus, with its crisp 12.3-inch display, puts all the driving information right in front of you, while the dual touchscreens in the center console handle infotainment and climate controls with haptic feedback. The new MMI system is faster, more intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The rear seats are equally spacious, offering ample legroom and comfort for passengers. Advanced technology plays a major role in the 2026 Audi A6 with a suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera system, and the latest version of Audi's predictive efficiency assist, which uses GPS data to optimize driving efficiency. There's also improved voice control and the option for augmented reality navigation displayed directly in the head-up display on the road. The new Audi A6 delivers a driving experience that is both relaxing and engaging. The suspension has been tuned for a perfect balance of comfort and agility, making it equally capable for long highway cruises and spirited drives through winding roads. Noise insulation has been improved so the cabin remains whisper quiet even at higher speeds. Overall, the 2026 new Audi A6 is more than just a luxury sedan. It's a statement of style, technology, and performance. Audi has once again raised the bar, creating a car that not only meets expectations, but exceeds them in almost every way. Whether you're a loyal Audi fan or someone looking for a premium executive sedan, this new A6 deserves a spot at the top of your list.